Ciao amici, welcome back at the Austrian Pavilion at Biennale 2024. I'm absolutely delighted because I have to remind you that this project, the Italian Way YouTube channel, has been conceived in Milano, but I had the fantastic opportunity to develop and to empower my heritage in art by staying for almost a year in Vienna, where I cover and I storytell the beauty and the emotion of seeing such an incredible environment, plenty of art, plenty of venues and amazing buildings, and I was absolutely overwhelmed by the presence of art in Austria. Okay, Anna Jermolaewa, born in Leningrad, USSR in 1970, is a distinguished recipient of the 2021 Otto Brecha Prize, renewed for as a self-proclaimed realist. Her artistic vision and approach is absolutely unique and embodies a blend of critical engagement with reality infused with a distinctively dark sense of humor. In 1989, Jermolaewa found herself facing persecution from authorities, and so that he had to escape to Vienna. So she was a refugee, and she pursued in studying art in Vienna, of course, and then she started there her career. You will see the works that I'm gonna showcase with these slides. Each image is related to the experience she had in her life. So she tried to depict in a way ironic, in a way dramatic, in a distinctive way, the flesh, the moment, the social displacement, and many other things she had during her life, and so that she conceived different way of expressing the sentiment around this message. So Anna Jermolaewa and has been supported also with a classical dancer, Oksana Serheieva. This is the rehearsal for the Swan Lake that you can admire from. There is a schedule that you have to check on the Austrian website, and so that you can also attend the Swan Lake during your visit in Biennale. And so this is amazing because it's an image. She succeeded in bringing here in Venice, as you notice from my cover. I changed the gondola view, and I wanted to put the gondola with the transportation of these serial telephone boxes, because from there, during the war, they start calling the most of the international call were from dead boxes, telephone boxes, and all the asylum requirements were made by that telephone. And so she wanted to bring something that was really significant to her life and to her experience, also because this represents a piece of a kind of frameworks of the dramatic history she experienced. And also this is a sleeping position. We can see this sleeping position nowadays everywhere, and it's really sad. But you know, I think this artist is absolutely realistic, and also she stays in Vienna and she is a professor in design. And yeah, definitely I think we have to be inspired a lot by the contemporary art, the Viennese contemporary, the Austrian contemporary art, because even if we are contingent countries, we have a different way of the shades of contemporary art are a little bit different between Italy and Austria. And I think she is representing a very powerful message that goes far beyond the contemporary art codes. Yeah, because it's like a strong desire to remind all these kind of key moments in her life history. Okay, thank you for watching me. I ask you kindly to give me a thumbs up, and also to rush check on the sites, Biennale sites and Austria sites, and go there and experience as a first in person, I would say, what is like to be immersed in the Austrian way. Thank you for watching. Simona Cochi. Ciao.